what you are seeing here, this is the greater momentum. Okay, what you see here, this is the greater momentum completely covering, and from where this greater momentum is coming attached, it is attached to the greater curvature of this stomach. Okay, now I take this out, liver is out. Now behind this stomach, here it is greater momentum. Behind the stomach, it is covered with lesser momentum. Okay, later here it is a greater momentum. Behind it is a lesser momentum, and behind in the lesser momentum there is a lesser sac. Okay, and here it is completely greater sac. And how this lesser and the greater sac they communicate? Here, lesser momentum is attached here in the lesser curvature. In this area, there is a free border between the stomach and the liver. There is a free border of the lesser momentum. So, there is a communication behind that free border. You can pass inside into the lesser sac. So, remember, greater momentum, greater sac. Lesser momentum, lesser sac. Okay, so I am using the 4 different terminologies.
Yes.
Okay, now when you are passing into this lesser sac, this free border, it consists of these three structures. Okay, it is very important you should know that what are these 3 structures which are passing into this which are present on the free border. The 3 structures are common bile duct, hepatic artery and the portal vein. Common bile duct, hepatic artery and portal vein. It is not hepatic duct, common hepatic duct. It is not right or left hepatic duct, it is common bile duct. Okay, common bile duct, the hepatic artery and the portal vein. These 3 structures are present. Just see what from here, this artery will come like this, vein will come like this, and I think this is the yes, these 2 are the right and the left hepatic ducts. Right and the left hepatic duct both join together and they form the common hepatic duct. With this common hepatic duct, the cystic duct joins, and this one is the common bile duct. So this common bile duct is hepatic artery and the portal vein. These 3 things they pass via this area, and they are related to that lesser momentum free border. Okay. Entry into the lesser sac, and that entry is called as one foramen of Winslow. Foramen of Winslow. Okay, it is very important, it might be asked in the examination. Foramen of Winslow. So this was greater sac and the lesser sac, greater momentum and the lesser momentum. Now coming on to the mesentery. The mesentery of the small intestine. Pause it one.